Hello, my name is Fox, and today I've got a bit of a different video for you. Something that I'm not exactly good at. Um, so I play on PC, and have grown to be a fan of keyboards. I've got my brand new Keychron K4 right here with blue switches. Um, and while I was looking for a new keyboard at the time, I had come across this, looking for inexpensive but still mechanical style keyboards. And this one, if I can show you, says mechanical switch, rainbow backlight, 2-shot injection, and a high and low key design. Now, on my Keychron, I have double shot PBT pudding keycaps, orange custom keys, which is why not all the keys match up, because I guess I didn't have the right keys for everything, so not really worried about that. But this interested me because it was super cheap. It was like 20 bucks, 25 bucks, something like that. So I got it, and I figured I'll make a video on it if it's not what I expected it to be. So let's go ahead and do it. So I actually have not opened this bad boy at all. There we go. Oh yeah, I got the blue variant. That's right. Okay, what is in here? 88 keys, UK, little mechanical. It says mechanical. It says mechanical. Look at that. Alright, so first off, I do want to say the packaging isn't terrible, and I like that. I like that look. Oh, okay. That's super cute. It doesn't sound mechanical. It doesn't sound mechanical at all. But I like it. This sounds like my old keyboard, my Logitech. It sounds like optical. Hold on. Where's my key grabber? I want to pull off one of these and we'll take a look on the inside here. Oh, what the fuck? Hold on a minute. Okay, that's a switch right there. What brand is it? Can I tell? It's a red switch. It's a. It must be some really cheap knockoff that doesn't make the clicking noise. So it's like not a true mechanical, but it still has the shape and look and feel. It even indent the keys. Hold on. Wait a minute. Is this thing's weird. What is this? It's a FELiCON. Oh, hold on. Let me look at the back. Let's pull it out. Yeah, it's even got grooves for like different ways you can send your USB, and like it's all plastic. Don't get me wrong. It's all plastic, and these little stoppers are kind of garbage. It even has little stoppers on the bottom though. QC3 2021. So this is a recent build, recent board. What is this thing? I may edit in some stuff later, but yeah, you can see like there's actual like switches down there. It's probably some fake knockoff that like looks mechanical but doesn't operate mechanically. I'm not too familiar with mechanical red switches. This doesn't sound or feel mechanical. It feels kind of light, like my old optical switches. That's my blues. I don't know. I'm gonna have to do some research on this, but I'm gonna go ahead, give it some power so you guys can see the rainbow. So give me a second. I'll be back with that. Oh my goodness. Okay, so it has actual RGB. Oh, the refresh rate on the lights aren't matching up with my camera. But no, it's full RGB. That's weird. Hold on, can I type with it? Let me see. Yeah, my mess of a desk right here. I'm sorry, everyone. It types fine. Alright, I guess I'll move it back over here now that we've seen that it does have lights. Hi, kitty cat. This is kind of weird. I've never experienced something like this. Like I said, I'm new to the keyboard market in terms of like um, enthusiast level stuff, but I'm fairly certain that like these switches aren't legitimate. I could be wrong. There's probably somebody out there that could be more. I mean, look at the keycap; they look fine. Could probably be more affluent with this system. Maybe even, are these hot swappable even? They feel like you can take them out. Are they hot swappable? Oh my goodness, if these are hot swappable, I think I can read out a brand name right there. I'm gonna zoom in really quick and see if we can't find a brand name. I can't tell what key switch that is, what brand that is, but it's definitely not the highest quality, as you can tell. But it looks like you might be able to hot swap them. They might come out. They jiggle. That might just also be poor build quality, but if this is hot swappable, oh my goodness, this could be the keyboard champion for people who don't have a lot to spare. Like even this little embossing here has LEDs in it. Like, I don't get it, dude. It's it feels fine. I don't know. Maybe I'll give it a try in a couple of videos, and for like gaming, I'll have a camera pointed at it, and we can see exactly what's going on here. But yeah, for now, as far as this video review, I'll go ahead and edit in some stuff of me looking up information about it, about the company FELiCON, and we'll see if we can get to the bottom of this. So yeah, I'll catch you guys then. Bye. So as far as I can tell, hopefully my mic's picking up my voice pretty well. Let me move close to my mic, my mouth. So as far as I can tell, this FELiCON keyboard, which it looks like, I can't even find the exact one I bought. As far as I can tell, it doesn't seem to have fake switches. They might be actual like reds by some unknown brands. They might be of a lower quality. But they have a store on Newegg, which this is all that you find is a bunch of knockoff goods with what looks to be some kind of cheap designed mascot. And it looks very similar to a lot of other keyboards that you can find. So this may just be a company. Oh, hey, here's the exact one we have right here. It's a Chinese brand, it seems. So the switches might actually be legitimate. And that's about all I can come to the conclusion of. If there are any other bigger people out there that happen to find, if we can get this video circled around and maybe I can get some more information on these guys, yeah, these might be a very good, cheap alternative to a more enthusiast level grade keyboard offering red switches. Because as I just stated earlier in the video, which will be edited into this portion of the video, I have my blues. I have my linear blues. They are Gateron, and they feel fantastic for typing. And they're all up in the videos. Nice. They're clicky. I like them. But I don't know. Those red switches are interesting. Maybe I can do some more research on the side. But for now, I'll leave this video as it is, edit it together, and upload it, and kind of get a consensus of people online. So yeah, my name is StarPowerFox. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoy what you see here, I'd definitely be interested in trying more weird techie things. And I will catch you guys later. Goodbye.